Okay, what we got here is a 1953 Mercury Monterey column shift for the 3-speed, should be same as the 3-speed overdrive. This actually is. Manual transmission, also known as the millennial theft device. I've got it all apart and cleaned up. It was extremely dirty. These shift arms were probably twice as thick. Look, all the old grease, almost look like Bondo. These are the parts to put this part together, and it goes something like this. It's kind of a pain in the butt to take apart. From what you figured out, you can figure it out. There's a cup that goes in the very back. The spring goes inside of that. There's a little retainer thing that goes inside of that. We'll stand there like this. This is the rear fork. It's the shorter of the two. You can see the two there. It's the shorter of the two. Zerk fitting fits towards the back. Here's where your shift collar or shift tube goes into. Put that in there first. Set it forward. Take this thing here with the cup in the back, the spring, and that piece, and you just squish it together, and it slides in like that. And those two line up like that. This is your front shift fork. As you can see, it sets offset a little bit. That will go towards the rear, so it'll go this direction. So towards the rear, towards the other fork, so they're closer together. That one just slides right in. Voila, it's in. And you take your actual shifter tube, which I haven't cleaned up yet, oops, and it just slides in. Just line them up as you slide it in. This little dog on this will go into the other two dogs on the shifters. Boom, right in there. You probably want to pre-grease that a little bit, but the nice thing is it's got a Zerk fitting right there to grease the whole thing, and you should be good to go. That's it. 53 Mercury Monterey. Love it.